This next demo will be to create these holes that are concentric to this axis in this pattern. So the pattern is concentric to this axis here. So we'll create these 5 holes as a pattern. To start this, we need the first hole, and then we can pattern the rest. Just like we did over here, I needed 1 hole, and then I patterned the rest. So back to this exercise. We're going to go to the hole feature, and I'm going to create a hole from this bottom edge. Make sure that we're grabbing the edge, and make sure it says edge. I want it a 1/2 inch over in the Y direction, and about, I think, 3 inches right about here. I guess it's 2 inches. So I'm going to move this out. Come on. The computer is moving really slow right now. We're going to change that to 2 inches. So I double click on that. Change it to 2. I just typed in 2 in the field there. And then this one here needs to be at a 1/2 inch. I'm going to double click that. And in the value field, it's already highlighted in blue. So I just type in 0.5 and it removes that. And I'll hit tab just to make sure it says inches. Once I see that it's set, I say OK. Select OK. Oops, that hole's too big. Let's double click that hole. Any time you want to change something, you just double click it and we'll go with the 1/4 inch hole. My computer's going really slow. I typed in 0.25 and now it's a 1/4 inch. Okay, so again, there's this hole right here. I changed the diameter to 1/4 inch. You can see here highlighted in the pop-up window in the dark blue field, main diameter is 1/4 inch. With that highlighted, we can go to transformation, singular pattern. If you don't have hole 3 or whichever hole here is highlighted, just simply pick on it and it will change it. So we're going to use that hole, and it's asking for a reference element. If I click here, I can click the inside of this circle or the outside of this face, and it will find that center axis to rotate about. Notice it's defaulting to 45 degrees and an instance of 2. So in the input field, the instance says 2. I can hit the up arrow, and now you can see the third at 45 degrees. I hit the up arrow, the fourth, and one more time, select OK. And that is how you create the holes that are in a circular pattern that are concentric to this axis of this circle here or the outside